Warren Buffett is not sitting on a mountain of cash because he's scared. He's sitting on it because he's ready. He is ready to strike and he's ready to buy. He's ready to turn the next market crash into Berkshire Hathaway's biggest growth move in decades. While everyone else is panicking, Buffett is preparing to dominate. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what he's doing, what he has said in the past, and how you can steal a page from his playbook. Let me set the stage. People out there think Buffett is missing out. They think he's old. He's lost his edge. And maybe he's just playing defense. I hear this at every bull market. And let me tell you something absolutely straight. Buffett is not sitting. He is stalking. This is a calculated move. The man is loading the cannon. And when this market breaks, which it will, he's going to buy companies hand over fist while everyone else is crying and licking their wounds. In this video, we're breaking down what Buffett is preparing for, how he has used the strategy before to grow Berkshire into a powerhouse, and what you can do right now to follow the same roadmap. You're not just going to hear about what he's doing, though. You're going to learn how to think like him, how to invest like a value investor, and how to build real wealth with principle-driven systems that work in any market. These are the strategies you're not going to hear anywhere else on YouTube. I absolutely guarantee that. Why? Because everyone else is too busy chasing the next AI stock or trying to time the top, or they need to make money so they make whatever video they have to make in order to do it. We give you the real deal. I'm going to show you that real playbook, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to walk away with actionable steps you can take right now to prepare for what Buffett is waiting for. Look, I know what Buffett says. You can't time the market. Just stay fully invested, buy and hold forever. Well, tell that to Warren Buffett because Buffett absolutely times the market. He just does it with discipline, not emotion. And when I say time, he doesn't think he can pick the top or the bottom. He's just going to sit there and say, if things are too expensive, I stay out. He doesn't guess when prices will fall, but when stocks get too expensive, he takes that step back. He sells stocks that are massively overvalued, and he holds cash and he waits. And when panic sets in and prices collapse, that's when he goes in big. Now let's rewind to the dot-com bubble of 2000. Everyone was buying tech stocks, dot-com stocks. A lot of them had no earnings, no profit, just hype. Buffett sat out. In fact, at a big conference, he started talking about this and everybody said, "Man, this guy just doesn't get it. He doesn't understand tech." And guess what? The market crashed and Buffett went shopping. He bought high-quality companies at dirt-cheap prices. Why? Because when stocks fall as a market whole, even great companies become better deals. Meanwhile, the momentum and hype clowns were all getting wiped out. Same thing in 08. Before the crash, he was building up his cash pile. He was avoiding overpriced garbage. Then Lehman collapses. Panic explodes and boom! Buffett steps in with billions. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, GE. He made massive deals while the market was melting down, and those moves helped make billions of dollars for Berkshire. In fact, tens of billions. Go back even further. The late 60s, he shut down his partnership. He said there's nothing to buy. Guess what, guys? Right now, we are 50 or 60% more overvalued than when he shut his partnership down in the late 60s. But fast forward to the 70s and 80s, the market went nowhere, but valuations got better. Buffett held cash, and then when inflation and interest rates were running wild, he saw value, and he bought. He knew stocks were overvalued in the early 70s, relative to what he's getting in return. So he waited patiently until the setup was right.